Hello, I'm Jeff Jedras for Computer Dealer News, and I'm joined today by Paul Comessotti. Paul is the Canada Country Manager for Checkpoint. Thank you for joining us, Paul.
Thanks for having me.
You've recently launched Checkpoint Abra, which is billed as a secure way to connect to your corporate VPN from any third-party PC. How does this tool vary from the other VPN tools that are currently on the market?
Well, what we've done is Abra is a combination of existing technologies. It's just taken and put in a different form factor, if you will, for customers to take advantage of. What's interesting is that customers really like the plug-and-play aspect of it, and the corporate security really likes the secure virtual workspace. So for customers to be able to leverage a USB, stick it and have their office secure wherever they go is to tremendous advantage. One thing that is of value to our partners is a number of customers have a number of different VPN type of technologies. This allows them to consolidate our customers onto one technology and really grow the Checkpoint install base within that organization. So it's been a significant opportunity for a lot of our customers to look at, and a significant opportunity for many of our partners to engage our customers in ways they haven't before.
What happens if I lose the USB stick?
Well, again, it's the USB has the hardware encryption on it. So, encrypting all the data on there, and through the corporate policy from security perspective, those USB sticks, the VPN connection can be managed centrally by that individual's corporate security group. So if the stick is lost, that can be taken out of accessible USB sticks to manage to get into the corporate network.
What's the channel play with Abra, and what kind of support and margin can your partners expect?
Well, in terms of support for them to bring it to market, a lot of our customers are looking at these VPN solutions, and the support that we're giving to our partners is helping them understand where it fits, how it fits, but most importantly, it works seamlessly with all of the existing Checkpoint infrastructure that they've been putting in already. So in terms of training, it's not a very significant jump for them to be successful in the Abra marketplace. In terms of margin, there's significant margin for all of our partners in these opportunities. We've got different programs like Secure Margin that allows them to register opportunities with us to then therefore get protection for the opportunity that they have found and developed. And so for most of our partners, it's been quite significant on those two fronts.
What would a typical sale look like?
Well, to start, mostly it's an implementation of just a couple of sticks to pilot the program. But what we find is most of our customers do like to have a separate infrastructure, and so what we find is that the customers, once they get going on these, are setting up additional components to their existing infrastructure to account for more and more remote users. And the services are something that our partners are doing exclusively to take and integrate those types of technologies into the customer's environment.
Is Abra going to be available through the retail channel as well, or will it be exclusive to your reseller partners?
Abra is going to be available exclusively to our reseller partners. Checkpoint really does not have a retail market in terms of how we are pushing out enterprise products. So our existing channel today is going to be the sole benefactor of this technology.
I guess just lastly, back to Abra, how did you come up with the name?
The R&D team often comes up with different kind of code names, and very infrequently does a code name become the release name. I've seen a number of articles that say abracadabra or what have you to insinuate some kind of magic. I'm not really 100% sure how this one came, but it's a moniker that stuck and something we felt positive going forward with.
All right, Paul Comessotti from Checkpoint, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.